So it's really simple. It's going to be one of the easiest installations you've ever done. All we have to do is remove all the packaging, plug in the chair, sit back, relax, and have an amazing massage. Often it's easier to take the packaging off with somebody else. Many hands make light work. So I'm going to get Alex in here to give me a hand and make it happen. So it's as simple as that. Now the only thing left to do is connect the remote control, sit the chair back up, relax and enjoy an amazing massage.